Hey guys, good morning, and we are right now in Rampur Bushahr on our return journey. Today is our last day. The final destination is Chandigarh, and after that, I'll be flying to Mumbai. We have just checked out of the hotel and reading the bikes now. This is the view from our hotel terrace. You can see, just amazing. We are surrounded by mountains from all the sides. We haven't done breakfast yet, so we'll move from here, and on the way we'll stop and have breakfast and then continue towards Chandigarh. We plan to reach Chandigarh by 6 p.m. and from there I'll be shipping my bike via train. And that's it, guys. We'll leave now. Have a nice day and see you later. Bye. Feeling a bit emotional right now because today is our last day of the trip, and we all three will be back minding our own businesses. The weather seems just fine for riding today. हाथ का डालो 500 नॉर्मल नॉर्मल A good thing about Spiti Valley is that there are sufficient number of petrol bunks, and so you no need to worry about carrying those extra bottles. So we just finished having our breakfast consisting of aloo parathas and tea, and we'll be moving ahead now. Look guys, there's a small waterfall for you. So we are back to the place where we had reached on day 1. That is Narkanda, and Shimla is 64 kilometers to go. और ये मंदिर की घंटी बजती हुई As you can see on my left, these apple orchards have been covered with some kind of white cloth to protect them. I had just stopped for a break, and we are very close in reaching Shimla right now. Shimla, 10 kilometers to go. क्या हुआ? We have reached Shimla right now. So after a small refreshment break, we are back on the roads. We have now left the mountains and back on the plain roads now. हाँ? स्पीड लिमिट में ऐसा है क्या? अभी आगे? हाँ बहुत आगे पकड़ते हैं क्या? हाँ जमने वाला है। कितना दूर है रेलवे स्टेशन? 15 मिनट। 15 मिनट यहाँ से क्यूरिंग करवा के बाहर निकले थे। हाँ हाँ कितना? We have entered now into the Chandigarh city and moving towards railway station to drop our bikes. अरे हाँ 6 मिनट सेल्फी ले लेते हैं जर्नी एंड उसका बिजी आ रहा है बिजी आ रहा है फोन पे लगता है मज़ा आ रहा है रोड मस्त रोड मैं तो फुल मजे लिया उस रोड पे पूरी वीडियो बना मैंने इधर तक एंड तक अभी भी चालू चालू है So right now I'm following my agent who is going to help me with the packing and readying the bike for the shipping. ठीक है उधर जा आजा उधर मैं जाता हूँ Just a few meters remaining before the trip ends. जाते लेके वो
आगा करके धर नहीं दिया, आगा कर लो। एक मिनट, आगा आगा, एक मिनट। आप छाड़ दो, नहीं ठीक है, मैं खड़ा कर दूंगा। यहाँ
हो गया नहीं गिरेगा
क्योंकि यहाँ कच्चा जमीन है, इधर पक्का जमीन है।
With this, our winter Spiti trip has ended. It was an amazing and adventurous filled 13 days, traveling through one of the best scenic routes and encountering many things along the way, from no roads to off roads, gravels, mud, slush, falling stones, and the main highlight of the trip being stuck in a landslide for 2 days. The mesmerizing white beauty of Spiti Valley will just leave you speechless, and I hope to come back soon and spot the snow leopard. Until then, bye and take care.